Hello friends, I once again welcome you to my channel Tell a Tale. On your demand friends, today I am going to speak about composition writing. Composition writing is an art and we need to achieve it through practice. Friends, this video will continue in 3 parts. Composition writing part 1, composition writing part 2 and composition writing part 3. Friends, if you will miss any of these parts, then your learning will be affected. So my request, don't miss it. Friends, most of us, we think that essay writing and composition writing are more or less same. But let me tell you, they are two different things. Essay writing and composition writing. Essay writing is what we used to do in our childhood decades ago. Like we were writing an essay on postman, an essay on national heroes. But friends, nobody can tell you to write a composition on a postman. We can say that essay writing and composition writing may be same in the way because there we express our views, but their treatment is totally different. Essay writing needs little serious treatment because it is a formal task. On the other hand, composition writing involves our creativity in it. For example, while writing composition, we use idiomatic expressions, proverbs, slogans or quotes, several anecdotes certain times, etc. Let me revise you again. We can say that while writing composition, we can use idioms, proverbs, slogans or quotes and some small stories, anecdotes which we say, or some experience or incidents. Another thing is to keep in mind that composition means to compose. We can compose music, we can compose letter, we can compose our thought. So it involves more creativity in it. I hope now you can understand that essay writing and composition writing are not totally same. They are, of course, different things. Now we need to understand that what are different types of composition. For that, I would like to tell you. So let's understand what are the different types of composition. So we can say, friends, please focus here. Composition writing could be narrative, descriptive, argumentative, story-based, picture-based, etc. It could be more. So narrative composition, descriptive composition, argumentative composition, any story-based composition. Let me tell you, like some start line or theme of the story would be given and you have to develop your composition on that line with that hint, or some picture is being given and you can compose your thought into a form of composition. Friends, today I will discuss first these two, narrative composition and descriptive composition. First of all, what is narrative? As its name indicates, narrative, it means it involves lots of narration. It judges our narrative skill. We have to keep in mind that narrative composition should be based on fact. So we can call it that they are very factual. And the next thing which we have to keep in mind while writing narrative composition, that here the things must come into a serial order. Here the things must come into serial order. I mean to say that suppose you are writing a narrative composition about your trip to Agra. So all sudden you will not start that we reached to Agra. First you will say that we had made a plan and then we all fixed a time to meet at the railway station or airport. From there you went, meaning series wise you have to move forward. Right? This is all about narrative composition, where two things important. It should be fact based, it should look real, it should look factual, based on facts. And next thing, serial order should be maintained from A to Z, not P, Q, then C, then A. I hope you can understand. Coming up next, descriptive. Descriptive compositions are asked to describe a person, a place. It involves our descriptive skill. So it should be quite vivid, clear. We can say through our descriptive skill, we write a descriptive composition, and in this composition, we do a pen picture. As an artist makes a picture through pen and brush, in descriptive composition, we make a picture through words. We create a pen picture over there. So, I took today narrative composition and descriptive composition. These are different type of compositions. This much I am telling you in this video. In my next video, I will discuss some other type of compositions, and I will tell you that what are the ways to improve your writing skill for composition, and of course there will be some tips for your composition writing. Before I end up this session, let me tell you that I am getting recommendations from your side for teaching the correct use of preposition and some confusing words. Very soon I will fulfill your demands. Just keep watching. Yes, and don't forget to press the like button and do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the future notification. We will meet very soon. Till then, bye.